Joseph, look at me.
No titty.
Hi.
No titty, titty. No, no titty.
Hi.
No.
Hi.
Is not him? Oh, this was not. That's really me. No! Why?
Careful.
Closer.
We are riding bikes and scooters right now on this little path. We are just playing outside right now before we do some homeschool. Today we are doing English, but first we're getting some exercise and some fresh air. Right, Annika?
Yeah.
Annika is giving me cookies. These are her cookies. It's chunks of mud that she found in her bucket. Are those yummy?
Yeah.
Those are delicious cookies. Yummy, yummy.
Mommy.
You have more cookies?
Yeah. Yeah. We had the bestie.
Oh, thank you. Ooh, let's try this, everyone. A nice dandelion soup.
Ready.
Wow, that's
And a
nice.
straw.
And a straw.
Yeah. It did this.
You're funny. Are you making soup too, Joseph?
Yeah. And me. Mom made the ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
I decided I'm gonna make some porridge.
Yours.
And I made ice cream.
Ooh, dandelion ice cream. That
Mine
sounds
is
yummy.
dandelion ice cream.
I really want to show you guys these flowers that we get outside our window from our apartment, and they only come in the spring for not very long. These pretty trees that we get in the spring. They don't last very long, and then they turns into leaves after. Right now I'm just heating up some leftovers for lunch. Some salmon chopped up, some celery, carrots, mushrooms, and I don't know what else my husband put in there. He made this, but it is so good. So I'm just heating that up, and then we'll have some lunch. Listening to some music and reading some books while they're waiting for lunch. I just wanted to share a random thought that I've been thinking about, not random to me, but in this video, that if we just always are listening for God's answer and like Him saying what to do, and we just say yes and let go of whatever we're holding on to that makes us not say yes. Does that make sense? Like, just let go and say yes to God's plan, because He knows what is best. He's the one holding the book of plans in your life, and we're the one that has to just say yes. And if you just say yes to God, because we don't know the plans and He does. He's the one that knows them. He's saying, okay, do this. And we just have to blindly say, yes, okay, let's do it. And a good example of that is my husband was watching these race car drivers, and they're going insanely fast, like insanely fast. Like, one little wrong turn and they would crash and be dead. So there's a guy sitting beside him holding a little notebook telling him the like left or right is coming up next, and something else. Like he's telling him exactly the plan of what to do, and the driver just listens to the guy telling him and just trusts him and turns the way he says. He says turn left, so the driver just turns left. He doesn't even know which way is coming up. And if he didn't listen, he's going to crash and die. So that is an awesome example of what we need to do with God. God is the one with the book telling us, okay, turn left. You can't see the turn. I know you don't know what turn it is, but I do. I know the turn. Trust me, turn left, or you're going to crash and die. And we just need to say, yes, okay, let's do it. And that is the biggest lesson I've been learning this year. And I don't know if the person watching this, somebody watching this, might need to hear this today. And I really hope and pray that this helps you. If this is what you need to hear, let me know down in the comments below. We're finally getting to homeschool. It was so nice out today, and it's been raining like so much this month. So we got out while it's not raining. And it was so nice and sunny today, so we played outside for a while. And now we are doing homeschool while the other two nap. So this is what Cameron's working on right now. He wanted to write the word cow.
Yeah.
So we are almost at the end of his book. Words that end with an. Fan, and then the other ones, and then he's got to match them. We have a few more pages, and then we're done the kindergarten portion of this book. And then he'll do the grade 1 portion in the fall, and then there's also a grade 2 portion in there. It's pretty good. And it's just phonics, grade K to 2, and I don't know where to get this from, because my brother-in-law actually got this for me from a used bookstore or Value Village or something. So I have no idea where you could actually get this from. But it has been a really good book. We are definitely going to take the summer off, because our summer is not very long and winter is very long. So definitely going to take the summer off, but once in a while, if they don't have anything to do, or if they're bored, and just once in a while, maybe like once a week or something, we'll do a little bit of homeschool. I think I'm going to do June 1st, I'm thinking. How's that sound, Cameron?
Good enough, dude.
Cameron is so excited because look, one more page and he's done the kindergarten.
Let's do it.
Okay, got my tea and we're ready to go. This is a grand moment for us. We're so close. He just has 3 more pages in this book of English, and then his last page that we showed you of his other book for English. And then on Wednesday, this Wednesday, he just has to do the little teeny tests that are in the back of the book for kindergarten. And then he's done English. Woo, woo. He still has math, but he loves math. We're not done those, but he's done some math books already throughout the year. But these are just more.
Front of my face.
It's getting close to summer. It's getting close to summer. Getting close to summer. Ooh. You didn't eat your carrots. You didn't eat your carrots.
That's a lot.
This is our supper.
Hi.
Dill mashed potatoes with mixed vegetables and chicken with barbecue sauce. It's from yesterday, so it doesn't look as good, but it's still delicious.
Hi. I still talk into a camera, but I don't know who mommy, who that you are, so because I don't know who mommy taking a video to.
And that was Cameron. Say bye, guys.
Bye. No. Tomatoes
Tomatoes and yogurt. Okay, that's disgusting.